Welcome back, critical thinkers. So we are still on division of polynomials, and we have this question which says divide x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 by x minus 1. So to divide polynomial, we use long division method. Draw a box, then x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x and then plus 2. And then the divisor outside, this is x minus what? 1. And now the first step, like we said in the last class, you look for a number or a variable that when you multiply with x, the first term of the divisor, you get the first term of the polynomial. Don't consider the second term first. Just a number or a variable that when you multiply with this, gives you this. And what is that number or variable? It is what? X squared. And of course, x squared multiplied by x will give us what? X cubed. And then that term x squared multiplied by minus 1 will give us minus x squared. Right? X squared times x will give us x cubed. Then x squared times minus 1 gives us minus x squared. Now you subtract. You subtract the second one from the first one. And of course, plus 2 minus 0 is still 2. Then this is plus 2 minus 4x. And then 3x squared minus x squared. Like we said, we are subtracting the second from the first. That means there is minus here. So 3x squared minus x squared. Just like that minus times minus is plus. So it is 3x squared plus x squared. That is 4x squared. And then of course x cubed minus x cubed is 0. So we are left with this. So we continue. You look for a number or a variable that when you multiply with the first term of this, which is x, it will give you 4x squared. And what is that number or variable? It is plus 4x. Now let's see. 4x multiplied by x will give us 4x squared. Right? Now that plus 4x multiplied by minus 1 will give us minus 4x. And that's all. Now you subtract again. Subtract the second from the first. So of course this one plus 2 minus 0 is still plus 2. Now minus 4x minus 4x. So the minus here times this minus gives us what? Plus. So minus 4x plus 4x is 0. Right? Minus 4x plus 4x. That is 0 now. That's 0. Now 4x squared minus 4x squared is still 0. So we are left with minus 2. Therefore, x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 will be equal to x squared plus 4x remainder 2. So this is it. So thank you for watching. God bless you.